The Gibco CTS Compleo fill and finish system automates the final formulation and fill step of cell therapy drug manufacturing. This closed system offers broad flexibility with a number of inputs and outputs and supports output volumes ranging from 0.5 milliliters to 750 milliliters. The paddle mixer allows gentle mixing of bag contents to maintain cell suspension homogeneity during run execution. And the sterile single-use kit is compatible with sterile weldable cryobags and vials. The CTS Compleo system can accommodate up to 10 outputs. Sample dosage and volume can vary per output to accommodate not only patient samples, but also quality control samples. The system provides volume accuracy across a broad range of output volumes. Experience formulation and fill flexibility, plus volume accuracy at a broad range of output volumes with the Gibco CTS Compleo fill and finish system. To learn more, visit thermofisher.com/Compleo. Gibco Cell Therapy Systems, products designed to help enable clinical and commercial cell and gene therapy manufacturing.